Hi, this is Mr. Cappert. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make practice part number 1, which is a blue cube in Onshape. You want to open up the Onshape application, which you should have already downloaded. If the home screen doesn't look like this, then you need to hit this symbol up in upper left. It looks like a house. So then next step is to hit My Onshape. You should have created a folder in a prior video. I showed you how to do that, called Onshape Introduction. And then once you're in here, let's start your very first part. Hit the blue plus in the lower right corner. And then you want to call this practice parts 1, 2, and 3. Whoop. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Now, once you're within this workspace, you're going to want to click on the front plane here. Notice I can pinch to zoom in and out. I can do 1 finger to orbit around a part, and 2 fingers is what's called pan. So notice it doesn't rotate it. So we want to click on the front, then hit the pencil symbol in the upper left. Then for this one, we're going to use just a corner rectangle since it's a cube. So click on corner rectangle. And then I want to look at this straight on, so I'll hit front. And I want to look at it from the front. All right, and then let's lock this view. So this way now, you can only zoom in and out and pan. It won't orbit, which can get really annoying at times. I don't know, sometimes you slip. Notice I accidentally hit something I didn't mean to, and I hit the undo button to get out of there. So anytime you get stuck, just hit undo if you make a mistake and restart. So once again, I'm going to hit the corner rectangle. I'm going to hold my finger down. All right, see how I'm holding until I snap on the origin? And then I choose the other corner. So see how I'm clicking and dragging my finger? All right, so next step is to dimension this. So the pencil symbol again. Dimension is over kind of lower right. And then you want to add in all your dimensions. With this, we just need 2 dimensions. This should be 0.75, which is 3/4 of an inch. Hit the check mark. And then we'll hit this right side, either way. This can be the left or the right, they're the same. And then this, click on it, 0.75, 3/4 of an inch. So once again, if you mess up, you can always hit the undo. You also can double click on these to go back in if you need to change them. So notice I can double click. If I don't want that dimension at all anymore, I can also hit delete dimension. So you've got a couple ways to troubleshoot if you make any mistakes. The next step is going to be to finish the sketch, which is this check mark in the lower right. Click on it. Then you're going to hit the sphere symbol up here. This is how we make things 3-dimensional. You always start with the 2D sketch and then move to make it 3-dimensional. So I'm going to use Extrude to make this cube. It wants me to select a face. Nothing's been selected. So if you have to, you might have to zoom in and out to get to this. Click on what you want to extrude, which is easy in this case. It's just a cube. And then you want to tell it the depth. This is a cube, so it's 3/4. Whoops, see how I can go back on that, 0.75. Check mark. And then check mark under extrude 1 to finish the extrusion. So now when you orbit, notice you got your 3-dimensional cube. The last step is going to be to hit these 3 dots and then appearance and pick a blue, some kind of blue. Hit the check mark to finish. And you're all done with this part. Let me know if you have any additional questions. This auto save, since it's cloud-based, you don't have to hit save, and you can just close out at any point and resume at a different date. To resume, let's say you got out of the app and then you get back in. Notice you just need to go to My Onshape, Onshape Introduction, and then find the part you were just working on, and notice it's been auto-saved. All right, hope this works out well for you.